Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ucegem Durama, usamla ubala perusahaan senam karta nasol Tura, West Garo Hills, sebelah sedang ben pinmi, iki Jingrwai men bau dangdon, kat lai senam karta, ula syajid banyok pediang iki Mgmp, Achiever of the Month. Hagerta kebab perwaisnem, Durama ula pinmi iki Jingrwai kebelai kerteng, amang asong, bad isyam bentaru, hakirin san ruai kum hakamegang festival, Grim Crow Music Festival, Pineapple Festival, New Delhi, bad hakakinjai fest arajar arpusan. Ia kejing sam ke kusnam Mgmp Achiever of the Month. Lapin long hatura hakarp kandai trik naitung arajar apun rio, hapo ke Chief Minister's Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, hakabala sakilang, da umidrang ba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma ubla longkum ukongsan.
And sitting here quietly all the while. Congratulations to all of you as well. Congratulations.
Hello, sir.
Great team of artists and bands from Jingrwai Hills. So these are the 5 bands. Tigrang for Chegum, specially autographed by our Honorable Chief Minister. So a louder applause for Mr. Chegum Durama, ladies and gentlemen.
Is that I have also decided that I want to push professional music and theory and different aspects of actual academics in music also among our musicians. Like, for example, I think there'll be some of you out here, who don't read and who don't write music. So I'm not saying that you have to know it, but I think it helps. It helps to understand the science behind music. And sadly, a lot of people don't understand the science, which is of course a great thing also, because that's when your mind goes and does all kind of wonderful things also. But there's no harm. There's no harm in understanding music. There's no harm in reading, writing music. There's no harm in understanding the scales that are there in music. So therefore, I think theory into music and studying music and maybe just holding the guitar the right way. I played the guitar for many years, and for a long time I did not realize I used to put the guitar on my left or my right thigh and play it. A lot of you will know who are playing the guitar. The correct way while sitting and playing is actually to put it right in between and then play, because that's where your hand is right here and you get a better feel of everything. So just a small thing of positioning the guitar in that right way, I didn't know till somebody told me, just put it here and then just raise it right in the middle, and you'll see that you'll be able to, your hand will have a better spread, and your, the right hand also, you'll be able to, pick the strings in a better manner. So I'm just giving a small, very personal example of what I'm.
Ani bim ko saniting ban aramak mga, deki mana dia ang basaksa Mgmp ni artist ong pa. Ya Mgmp perform kaya nga bangan thang na cholang ko tak naman niya, je kaya nga antani git je ko nang chip naman jachim, barang ko chip naman na ha. Da chipim na de yani tangkachi nga music video rang ko ba tariya ha. Deki mana de wo ko tari mana anga sa award ko ba mana ha. Je nga wo gito Mama's Gonna Rock You o best rock artist ko ba nga mana ha. Hello Meghalaya, oni gimana de ya Mgp bangat sada birang na chingni Tura bong jamai na chingni dingtang tang nike rural area sanguban banga bisarang ko taktakan ning ya jekai jean git ngacem batok da amat sangacem warang de bangan tang tang na cholang ko takira inga jekai perform kai na tang tang na antang tang na mai ba kai nga school fees rang ko kamiya tuition rang na kamiya de gimana de banga yasan ong gijabat perform ka artist kemukan dingtang tang chol ko man ya nike neka aro mana roba thang ba ya kon experience ong emna gum kon angi pings khang bong sa mana gum kan ya kon angan nongaya mana ini gum nanga antini CM ko tang macam metel nak tas ka aro mkhangsi wa antina bang pata aro nampata su kon nagen ya khadung ko metela.
My name is Sakramdi Sangma. I'm from Tura and I'm a band member of Tantani. We formed this band in the year of 2023 by 7 young musicians and friends. The name Tantani refers to an old Garo tune or rhythms. We have a vision to preserve and revive the Garo traditional music. So, as a folk fusion artist, before Mgmp, we have experienced a lot of struggles to buy or afford the instruments or to record the songs or to get the platforms. But now, after performing in Mgmp, we are able to get lots of platform, and then we are able to improve our skills, and now we are able to afford our traditional music instruments and to record. We are getting financial support from Mgmp. So we are grateful for this project. We are proud of our Chief Minister. He's trying very hard to push this type of program and then give the support for the youth of Meghalaya. And I'd like to request our Meghalaya government and our Honorable CM to expand this project to give the support for youth. And we are promising our government or our CM to make him proud. Thank you.
I'm Mgmp a solo artist from Tura, Meghalaya. Today I got Achiever of the Month award, and then I'm really grateful for this Mgmp. It has really helped many independent artists. It has supported financially and to perform across Meghalaya and outside Meghalaya as well. So I would like to thank Sir CM Conrad K. Sangma for this initiative and the tourism department as well.
Hi guys, my name is Awad. I'm from the band Larger Than 90. We came all the way from Jingrwai and we really enjoyed being here. The event was amazing. We got picked as the top bands from Jingrwai Hills and we really appreciate that. And I wanted to say thank you for all this opportunity that you guys have been given us. Mgmp, great people. The project is amazing. There's no negative part of the project which anyone can say. So being a part of this project is always fun, and it helps even us. It helps us a lot, as an artist, as a band. It has helped us a lot producing stuff, coming up with music and all that, and it encourages us to be an original artist. And yeah, that's mostly it. And I really want to say thank you to the Chief Minister for doing all this for us. And I really encourage you all to come up with some of your cool stuff, and get your release out, and be a part of this project. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Kanong ba Byrnihat kadon haupod usam hapedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe kathem artali ki jila hakabenta jong ka Assam dan kumba arpautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya kate kathan kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor balapau perthai hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artali ki jila menta kisdang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan